In this video, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I made over $1,000 with affiliate marketing. And I didn't even have any tech skills. When I first got started, the extent of my tech skills was sending out emails. I ain't know nothing. I didn't know anything about how to set up web pages, funnels, autoresponders, creating content on YouTube, on Facebook, TikTok. I didn't know which affiliate programs to actually use. And most importantly, I didn't know how the system actually works. But when I joined the Affiliate Income Network system, I learned all that, and also got one-on-one coaching. In just a few months, I learned exactly how to make money with affiliate marketing and also how to make high commissions. That's a great thing about the Affiliate Income Network system. It doesn't show you how to make small commissions with affiliate programs. It also shows you how to make money with affiliate softwares and also how to make high ticket commissions. And what I really love about it, I don't have to create ebooks, guides, courses, any of that stuff is all done for me and it's all given to me. And this is what made it so easy for me because I don't have to do any type of creation. All I had to do is promote, make videos, market it, and get my commissions. Anytime that I got stuck, all I had to do is book a call with my mentor and he walked me through any process or answer any question that I may have had. And if you ever tried to make money with affiliate marketing, you know how tiresome it is creating videos, creating courses, creating ebooks, digital products, promoting, and also trying to pick out or find the right affiliate program to become a part of. It's kind of challenging because you have to be, in the trend and knowing what people want to buy and knowing the buyer's persona and also knowing what stage your potential customer is in. And in this system, it teaches you everything that you need to know. Well, it taught me everything I need to know. And all I had to do is go step by step and go through the process. And it was challenging in the beginning, but once I got the hang of it, I started killing it. There's no other affiliate program out there that will give me 50% commissions on any referral that I get. I'm gonna give you guys an inside look on the Affiliate Income Network system. Let's go. We're inside Affiliate Income Network System 2.0. This is the full course. And what I love about it is that I can book my mentor anytime I want to. Matter of fact, I got a Zoom call scheduled in a couple of days. And also I'm part of the 10X Discord, which is a Discord group. And also I'm part of the Facebook group. And how me and Ronnie connected was we had similar stories. I was homeless at one time. And when the pandemic first started, he lost his job and he also lost his apartment. Him, his wife, and his 5 kids lived out of his car and also raggedy hotels for a short period of time. So he actually literally worked his way from the bottom to the top. So that's why he's very empathetic and patient because like I told you guys in the beginning, I didn't know nothing. And this course, it has everything, right? To get started, to go all in, he has the introduction. You see all these check marks. It just shows all the modules that I went through. And it has a lot. As you see, it over delivers. Most people just give you just a bare minimum. He even gave me information and things that I didn't even think I know I needed. It covers ClickFunnels, SEO for ClickFunnels. Yeah, I'm not gonna go through everything inside of this video because I'd be here for like hours, right? Because it takes a lot. But I think one of the most important things was understanding your mission and also the buyer's persona. But I'm gonna show you how he breaks down what the system is all about, and that's in the introduction. I'm gonna break down what I've learned and what he has showed me, which has made me the most money. And it's really understanding how to promote affiliate programs, softwares, systems, whatever it is, right? You have to drive traffic to a landing page, and the landing page has like a free course or a low ticket item which a person can buy for exchange for their email, right? So this would be the ebook or it would be a free course and I collect their emails. And now once they give me their email, I send their email over to an autoresponder like Aweber or something like that where I can send out emails to them each and every day for offers, supporting offers, or my YouTube channel or to my Facebook group. What's so great about his system is once they sign up or get in the email autoresponder or sign up for the free course or whatever the case may be, he sends you to one of his groups, which is the Discord or to the Facebook group. And then he books a one-on-one call with you. And then he offers a high ticket offer, which I just sit back and get the commission. Now, I want to let you guys know he does all the work for me. All I have to do is worry about sending traffic to the landing page. And I'm going to show you guys about the opt-in page and the landing page which he has a free offer, which is all done for me, and he gives it to me to promote. Now, outside of all the modules that he has available inside of this course, he also gives you PLRs, which is private label rights, right? Just in case you want to buy somebody else's course and sell it as your own, you can. Or it's an ebook or digital product, you can buy it and sell it as your own. It's private label rights, right? And then he had mindset coaching, which he does once a week, which I believe is the most important part of being an entrepreneur. It's about the mindset, because you can have all the system, you can have the products, the programs, and offers, but if you don't have the mindset to keep on going each and every day, even when times are hard, you're going to fail, right? He also gives you his top like tools and softwares to promote. He talks about paid traffic and also free traffic. And he also gives you free funnels and templates for System IO and also for ClickFunnels. So you don't even have to worry about that. But this is the part I want to show you guys, his affiliate offers. Now, this is his affiliate offers right here. His main core offer. If you know anything about affiliate marketing or any type of online business, you have to have a main core offer, and you can sign up to get commissions. Now, I'm inside of First Promoter, where he gives you all his offers, like his ebooks and also his full course, the 2.0, and also for the free course if you want to, promote that too as well. And you have your own unique link right here. So anytime you promote it with that link and a person signs up and buys, you get commission. As you see us up here, is 50% recurring commissions for each referred customer. Ain't nobody out here doing that. And your cookies last up to a year. Most people, your affiliate link only lasts for like 2 to 3 months. He keeps it for a whole year. So if a person just get the free course or just get the ebook and they don't opt in to get the high commission course, which is the ultimate course, that's what you want to push a person to get, is the $2,000 course. It might take a person 3 months to decide to get it. If it takes them a year, you still get the commission. You get $1,000, which is totally awesome. Ain't nobody else doing that. Now, this is a free course that he offers right here too as well. You get your own affiliate link for that too. 100% free course. You can offer this on your opt-in page or your landing page to get people to give you their email, right? So you can start sending out affiliate offers or supporting offers to them. It's 100% free. This is a free course. And these templates and funnels, he give them to you for free. Also, he has free training, which he does once a month. And you can promote this too as well to get people to get online and see what Ronnie is all about. And he also breaks down how the affiliate income network system works, the money that he's made. And then over the last 2 years, he's made over $2 million. And when I told you you don't have to create anything, check this out. He also gives you ebooks that you can promote. His own ebooks, I think the 7 steps, that's a flip book. You can promote that to people. A person can get both of them for $29. So many of these, they're so easy to sell, right? Because people love to understand how the process actually works. And the ebook is easy to read, right? This is great for anybody that want to just get started, for any newbies. And once again, this is a funnel. You don't have to create this. He does it. He gives this all to you. Now, this is the high ticket product or offer that he has, right? And what it is one-on-one coaching, unlimited. As long as you need his help, he will help you out. And it comes with all of this right here. It comes with the traffic. It comes with the ebooks. It comes with the flip books. It comes with the course. It comes with everything that you actually need, a person actually need to get started and also start making money with affiliate marketing. And just to let you know, I've been with him for a while. And right here is some of his top students. And as you see, I'm one of his top students too as well. I'm inside the website. Check this out. The main reason why you're failing at your affiliate marketing program and not making any sales is because of coaching. Your mentor sucks. When was the last time you even got on a call with him? With my coach Ronnie, my mentor, I'm on a Zoom call with him once or twice a week. We have mindset coaching. We got Facebook. We got Discord. So anytime I have any questions or concerns or anything I want to talk to him about, he's always there. He responds instantly. I bet you don't even know your mentor. I love Coach Ronnie, man. That's my man. And when you promote the high ticket offer, they have different plans too as well. Now I'm gonna leave the link down in the description if you guys want to sign up or become a part of the affiliate income network system. Now what I did was I paid for it one time as a one-time offer. It's actually $2,000, but if I paid the $1,400 up front because I was willing to go all in, or he has payment plans too as well. You can do 3 months for $497, or if you're really on a tight budget, you can do 12 months for $147 a month. Now make sure you guys hit that subscribe and like button, because in my future videos, I'm gonna go through the rest of the course and give you an inside peek of what this course has to offer. And also I'm gonna share with you guys all the tips, tricks, and strategies that my mentor has been teaching me over the last few months on how to make money with high ticket affiliate marketing. This course comes with everything, not just unlimited one-on-one Zoom calls with mentor Ronnie, Coach Ronnie. It also has the ebooks. It comes with traffic secrets, YouTube secrets. It got the ebook. It comes with the templates for ClickFunnels System IO. Even has a credit Bible, which shows you how to become a real entrepreneur and get your credit right too as well. So it just don't give you what you need for affiliate marketing. It sets you up to become an awesome entrepreneur and a successful entrepreneur. And right here, as you see this little t-shirt right here, you can even get your t-shirt. Got mine. I don't think nobody else is doing this. You get 50% recurring commissions for each referred customer.